Hello beautiful people of YouTube, I am Cynthia and welcome back to my channel. But before we get into the video, I have some exciting news for you guys. And I think I need like 13 more subscribers till I reach 300, and I just want to say thank you to all of you that are subscribed to me and watch my videos. Thank all of you guys. I love you all so much. As a way of giving back to you guys, I am doing a giveaway. I am going to be giving away a 7-piece brush set and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Once we reach 300 subscribers, I will tell you guys the rules and how to enter and all of that stuff. But I just wanted to make that announcement that I am gonna do that. So yeah. But like I said, thank you guys all so much for watching and subscribing and all of that. I really appreciate it. But yeah, today I have for you guys my full coverage foundation routine. Oh, hi Bellita. Stay tuned, you guys, for that giveaway. And without much more of me talking, we're just gonna go right into the video. So the first thing that I like to do is moisturize my face, but I have already done that. I usually do this 5 to 10 minutes before my makeup routine or before putting on foundation so that it soaks into my skin and moisturizes my face. And then the next thing that I like to do is take my Benefit Porefessional, mainly focusing this on the areas where my pores are a little bit larger, so like right here, a little bit on my forehead, and I take the smallest amount. I don't really take that much. You don't need much of this product. Probably take like that amount. I rub it into the skin. Then for the rest of the face, I like to take my Tarte Ready Set Radiant, which is this one here. I really like this as a primer because it gets sticky, and I feel like the foundation sticks a little bit better to that. It is a little bit cooling on the skin too. Now moving on to foundation, my absolute favorite full coverage foundation as of right now has been the Hourglass Stick Foundation. Vanish. I can't talk today, guys. I can't talk ever. Vanish Stick Foundation, and this one is in the shade Linen. It gives me absolutely the fullest coverage and easy to blend out, and it wears well all day. I love this foundation. Do little whiskers. I like my foundation to the fullest coverage. And then I like to go in with the Morphe M439, which is this fluffy foundation brush right here.
Hard, bitch.
Then for the area around my eyebrows, obviously I can't go in with that huge brush or it's gonna mess up my eyebrows. So I like to go in with the Sephora Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush Foundation, and I got this as a VIB gift. Boy, am I pale. Then I take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. I take this underneath my eyes to highlight my face. Then again, with my Beauty Blender, I'm gonna go ahead and blend all of this in. And by the way, here's a little tip for you guys. The longer that the concealer sits there, I feel like the more full coverage it is. So let's say if you want to cover up a dark spot or something, leave the concealer on there and blend that in last, so you get that full coverage. That extra coverage, should I say.
27.
And next, what is left is to bake. I'm going to take my Coty Airspun powder. And usually I use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, but that's when I'm going to be taking flash photography, because this one flashes back so bad. Take my damp beauty blender. Pretty much going to bake everywhere where I have put on concealer. Basically bake my whole face. Let's just do that. And honestly, this ensures that I don't get oily and that my makeup stays on all day. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a couple of minutes and then go off camera and finish off the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. So I have gone ahead and finished up the rest of my makeup. And if you guys are wondering, the lashes that I have on today are the Dodo lashes in style D115. I have a discount code for you guys that I will leave up on the screen. I think it is Caked Up Cynthia, I'm not sure, but I'll check and leave that on the screen right here somewhere. The lipstick that I'm wearing, I actually just got it right now in the mail. It is the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper in the shade Amethyst and Geode, which is this one here. It's like an iridescent pink and blue. And shout out to my boyfriend because he gave me a Sephora gift card for my birthday, and I bought this and some other goodies. So yeah, that's pretty much how I do my foundation, and it lasts basically all day except for my laugh lines, but I can never make anything last on my laugh lines. But other than that, it stays the whole day. It doesn't get cakey, doesn't look bad. It looks fresh and beautiful like it is right now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you never miss a single video. Yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.